sun and I'm ready for some fun, and I grab my shoes and maybe a snack. I strap right in, we head out once again to go vanning through the city and back. Her door can slide right open and close itself alone, and so getting in and out is a snap. All the storage space is great and every place is so comfortable you could take a nap. And as we drive the streets, I name the trucks we need, but don't forget that she is one unique machine. She's a Minivan, no one would not can, taking us all over the place. To the store and park the daytime in the dark, while the TV screen is playing my face. She may need a little cleaning the spill, but we all need it. There was crack of crumbs all over the seat. But we drive along singing my favorite song from my friends here in the bottom street. And hey, and no matter where we get from, she keeps us home safe and sound and happy. Me, my friends and family love this minivan, cause she's the perfect ride that we can all share. She may not be coolest, but you would be foolish to think anybody really would care. If this minivan could talk all the stories, she would rock all the tales of little rides and long trips. And how her rowdy crew has spilled a drink or two. All the memories are worth all the rips, the stains and the drips all over our all over the place. To our school and friends that laughed and now we're friends in the rain, they're all making a face. She may need a little cleaning the spill, but we all need a face. As we round the door in the sea, but we drive along singing my favorite song from our friends here at the bottom street. Hey, and no matter where we make wrong, she gets us home safe and sound and happy. Drive the streets, I think of all the things that we have done and seen inside this sweet machine. She's a minivan doing what not many can, taking us all over the place. But to the store and park, the daytime in the dark, while the TV screen is playing my faves. She's a minivan doing what not many can, taking us all over the place. To our school and friends that laughed and now we're friends in the rain, they're all making a face. She may need a little cleaning the spill, but we all need a face. Crack of crumbs all over the seat. But we drive along singing my favorite song from our friends here at the bottom street. Hey, and no matter where we make wrong, she gets us home safe and sound and happy. No matter where we may roam, she gets us home safe and sound and happy.